Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am so very excited because today I'm going to review my very first in my entire life e-bike. This is an electrical bike and you have two modes. You can pedal, which is going to take less of the battery, or you can just use it as a fully electrical, and that means it is going to do everything for you. There is no need to even pedal. You can also use this one as a regular bike as well. And I can definitely tell you guys, after using this one for about 3-4 weeks now, I also know that this is the best choice that I could make to this K Series B, my very first e-bike. So guys, this one is lightweight, it's foldable. You can fold this one in just 20 seconds in 2 simple steps. This is the best affordable e-bike under $700. And guys, let's get started with the review because I cannot wait to tell you all of the tech details and share with you my experience. So let's get started. So guys, this one is a stylish, affordable, and easily folding electric bike from the K Series by KBO Bike. So guys, they have so many different e-bikes and so many different models. Well, what I've got, it's the K Series and I've got the K2. So they have two options, K1 and K2. I've got mine in K2, and the K2 is available in 4 different colors: blue, white, black, and pink, and I've got mine in black. Guys, the other colors looks absolutely gorgeous as well. This is all new KBO K Series, and this is definitely the best choice to get as your first e-bike. The K Series are new to KBO, and they are definitely stand out with the small size, lightweight, with the compact design, as well as with the foldable abilities. These are folds effortless in just 20 seconds. The folding process just takes you 2 steps, and the foldable design offering a great mobility and portability, as well as an easy storage. This one will fit easily your trunk. It's an ultra lightweight design with an 6061 aluminum frame, and this bike is weighed at 55 pounds with the battery, or 48 pounds without the battery. This one is a very low price. It goes under 700s, and it's a budget-friendly price, rated really low, and currently it is on sale, so you're very welcome to check it out. You can use this one for any type of occasion, like road trips, like camping. You can go camping with this one. If you are living in a small apartment, then the foldable and compact design is definitely going to work the best for you. As well as guys, if you are living in the city, well, why getting a car, paying for all the parking tickets, paying for gas? Simply get an e-bike and you can go around the city whenever you want. It goes fast, it's easy to use, and it's 100% electrical. So it's gonna save you tons of money for gas and for parking and for all other stuff like car insurance, car payments, car taxes, car costs, and so very on. And whenever you need to travel outside of the city, to far distance, just basically rent a car. This idea only will gonna save you so much money, like basically hundreds, if not like thousands a month. So here is a great idea to save some money and use an e-bike. It's great for fitness as well. You can choose to completely turn off the electrical motor and use this bike as just a bicycle and use it for fitness, or you can choose whatever mode and whatever speed of this e-bike and use it with the electricity. Or if you are going for camping or fitness and you are somehow out of the battery, in this case you are definitely welcome to use this one as just a regular bike with no electricity. Or if you choose to use this one as a regular bike and then you're super tired, like you feel like you cannot pedal anymore, well, you're very welcome to turn on the electrical motor and let this bike to ride you without any type of an effort. This e-bike definitely gonna fit all possible needs for everyone. I love the unique style and the affordable price of this one. It's definitely the best choice for your first e-bike. It comes with a 48V 10.4 AHLG lithium battery, which is built inside the bike, and the built inside the bike type of a design is best to protect the battery from any type of weather occasions, like from the rain, from any type of dust, from any type of pollution, and so very on. It has an anti-thief security built in as well, and the battery gives a stable center of gravity. The battery comes with a key, so only you will be able to take it out, to remove it, and so very on, so no one can ever steal it from you if you choose to leave your bike somewhere at the street. The battery has 500 of WH capacity and works with a BMS system. All that to ensure the extended life of this battery and the safety as well. It is offering for up to 25 miles in electric mode and up to 45 miles in a pedal assist mode per one single charge. It is maintaining an 80% of capacity after 500 cycles. So this battery lasts last and last. The charging time for this battery is about 4 to 6 hours, and the motor of this e-bike is the 500 watt of a brushless geared hub motor. The motor is capable of achieving the speed of up to 20 mph, and it can do up to 30 degrees of slopes. It is adapting itself very well to various road condition scenarios, and it comes with a long-lasting durable lifespan. It operates quietly, so yes, this bike is super quiet, and it requires a minimal maintenance to take care of that. So you can climb for up to 30 degrees of an angle if you go up on hill, and once again develop a 20 miles per hour top speed. The folded bike dimensions are going to be 35 length on 20 width on 28 height. This bike comes with a 7-speed gear derailleur, which is allowing a smooth and steady speed control, and it's easy to adapt it to various riding situations and conditions. It has a front suspension, which means that it absorbs bumps, enhances traction, and improves the safety, and it goes really smooth. So even if the road isn't perfectly straight, you still will ride smooth thanks to this feature. Then it comes with a mechanical disc brakes. The brakes are really strong and it goes really smooth. So once you're pushing the brakes, it's not stopping suddenly. It has the 160 millimeters of mechanical brakes, which they are a great balance between stopping power and the control. It is an amazing feedback. So once you are riding the bike, you can just slowly push it and you're gonna stop or slow down really smooth. Or of course that you can push it really hard and then the brake's gonna work 100%. The battery is removable. So once you are folding the bike, you can remove the battery as well. The bike comes with a key, and just in 5 seconds you can take out the battery or put it in. You have 2 ways of charging your bike. You can charge it once the battery in, or you can take out the battery and charge it separately. So whatever works for you. I truly love the LCD display. So at the very front you have a display with 3 buttons, the turn on, turn off button, and the plus minus button to control the speed and the assistance. So it is super multifunctional display, which is going to show all type of information that you needed all about your ride, including your speed, your odometer, the PAS, and your battery capacity, as well as more stuff like your mileage, how long you were driving, and way more. I truly love that it comes with the detachable rear rack, which you can choose to have it or you can choose to just simply detach it. And the load capacity of this bike is 280 pounds, which provides a substantial cargo carrying abilities. And once again, you can choose it to be there or you can choose to remove this one. The tires. Okay, let's talk about the tires. So it comes with a 20 on 3 inches of fat tires with a wide tire surface. And these tires are best for the smooth transportation and traction as well, which traction is the most important thing in bikes, of course. The tires are making the bikes to be stable and easy to ride on all type of conditions. This is a great bike. It's easy to assemble and it's a pleasure to ride. I definitely love this one and I'm so very excited to get this bike as my very first e-bike. It's all customizable, of course, that you can take the seat upper or lower, as well as the steering wheel. You can totally customize this one up to your size, height, and so on. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. I truly hope you enjoyed watching me and my husband riding this e-bike. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Guys, be so very sure to check the K series out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box. What I've got is K2 in black. This one is so very easy to use. We took this one for a ride. It could fit my trunk easily in just seconds. It is easy to fold. I'm a woman and weight is definitely an issue for me, especially that I have a back pain problem, so I cannot lift heavy stuff. So it's easy to lift, it's easy to fold, it's compact, it's a small size, and I am so very excited about this e-bike. Guys, be so very sure to check it out. I'll leave you all the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other information like extra ways to save your money, like coupon codes, discount codes, promotions, sales, and all the most important information to know to make your choice. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I love you all. XOXO Valentine.